Good evening, everyone. This is Manjuladevi Adabala. I am currently pursuing my BTech third year in Kite College, Korangi, and I am developing my career as a programmer and the tech developer by learning some programming languages and the skills from the Nxtwave software training CCBP 4.0 since 2 years. In this period of time, I have learned some programming languages like Python, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and in fundamentals of full stack development, front end development like CSS Flexbox and Express.js, and the backend like SQL, and in advanced full stack development, front end like React.js and backend like Node.js, Express.js, Marin and Stacks, and the fundamentals of computer science and elementary of data structures and algorithms, and some key domains like augmented reality and virtual reality. And the latest concept which I learned was a generative AI. This is all about me, guys. Let's go into our session, generative AI. In this session, I'm going to explain what is generative AI, nuts and bolts tools of the generative AI, which was learned recently by me and explained by Rahul Attuluri sir from Nxtwave CCBP 4.0 technology. In this session, I'm going to explain few concepts of the generative AI. While coming to that, what all have a major question mark. What is generative AI? Generative AI is nothing but AI stands for artificial intelligence. The name itself says that the intelligence which was kept artificially of a specific thing or a mission. That is nothing but artificial intelligence. We can say that generative AI is nothing but a super intelligent human being. A super intelligent human being which can perform several tasks or multiple tasks at a time. That is nothing but a generative AI. And nowadays we can see generative AI examples as Siri, Alexa, Google Assistants, etc. In future we can see more implementations of generative AI by our human beings only. And competition of the generative AI, the generative AI market is in 1.2 trillions now. While coming to the 2032, we can see that generative AI market will be increases to the 1.3 trillion dollars of amount. So you should come forward to learn about the generative AI and make your career faster according to the technology grows. And while coming to this is all about the generative AI. While coming to the generative AI applications, we should have a knowledge about the generative AI. What are the generative AI application? While coming to the generative AI application is nothing but what does generative AI can do. Here, if we see generative AI is text generation tools, we can generate text using AI, which is by using some of the tools like WriterMe, Jasper, and Copy.ai. And if we give text, it generates an image. If I give any text, AI can generate an image regarding that. The text generation tools, image generation tools are nothing but DALI 2, Midjourney, Crayon. And the video generation tools are Runway ML, Pituitary, and video generation is nothing but if I give any text, if I require any video, then I should give a text to it. Then it will give me a video to answer to my text. And that is speech generation. If I want a speech for Independence Day nowadays, then I need to think from my brain or search somewhere. Just I ask to this Google, just I ask to this AI like a Flicky or a Murphy.ai, then it generates me a speech which I required. And while coming to the music generation, AI can also generate the music by using Hugging Face and the Malbet. These are the only few tools that I have gathered, but we can see for text, we can have some writing Sonic Writer, Jasper, Copy.ai. For image, DALI 2 E2, Midjourney, and Crayon. And for video, Pictory, Runway ML, Deep Brain, and speech, Flicky, Mafia, and music, Hugging Face, Mobet, and Farmer, Fixie, Hosters for applications and the code. We can also generate what code which we required from the AI only. Example for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a platform where we can generate all level of codes or videos or voice messages or some all things which is generated by AI. These, while seeing this, we have something curiosity about to know more about generative AI, right? Let's coming to the next part. Yes, now Till now we see what is generative AI, what are the applications of generative AI, that means what can generative AI can do, and what are the tools for generative AI. Now let's go into the nuts and bolts of the generative AI. Now what is nuts and bolts? Nuts and bolts of the generative is nothing but where we can implement our generative AI. Generative AI is artificial intelligence. Some of the nuts and bolts are OpenAI, Hugging Face, Gradio, LangChain, LLM, and Google Collab. You know that Google Collab is also a one of the nut and bolt of the generative AI. While coming, what is exactly OpenAI? We can see here. First, coming to Google Collab. Google Collab is nothing but a Google platform which can share Jupyter notebooks. And coming to the OpenAI is a chat-based company where chat-based service where OpenAI languages are included. And Pinecone is nothing but a dimensional database. Here we can see this Pinecone. This is the Pinecone. This is not a dataset. This is a Pinecone. Pinecone, what does Pinecones do is it's helpful for the machine learning projects, and it shows about the dimensionality data. And PlayHT is nothing but which allows the voice clones. If I give, it sends me reply as in the form of voice. That is nothing but a PlayHT. And a Hugging Face is one of the organization and the library that provides natural tools which trains the machine learning projects and mostly useful in machine learning. And LangChain is nothing but a library which develops the language model. And coming to the Gradio is a platform where all these are implements and the interface. It's very useful for the machine learning projects. Till now we learned about what is generative AI, tools, application on the. Now coming to the another most key role part of this session, that is nothing but a generative AI chatbot. I am myself developed a generative AI chatbot. Now I have a review for it. Before that, I want to convey you one thing, that is not only these, generative AI can do some more and more. See, by using generative AI, we can also take a movie. Is it not exciting for you? Are you think that generative AI can perform a movie without any actors, without any hero, heroine, without any script, without any human necessity? This generative AI is generative AI has taken a movie. Just look a 5 seconds of review of this movie, and this is a generative AI movie. We can see generative AI itself implemented this by the idea of something which we given. This generative AI is taken this. This is the generative AI video done by the generative AI. I will pin this link below the comments, so you can review this and have fun of it. And now let's go to the major part of our. Let's have our major part of our session. Is nothing but the generative AI project which has I done to the best of my knowledge, given by the Rahul Attuluri sir. And this is the project of my AA. I will show the code walkthrough and what are the utilities I used in this code. I will show not briefly, but I show basically. And this is my generative AI project. I will show the code. This is a generative AI chatbot. I developed this project using the OpenAI and Hugging Face and Gradio. While coming to install some of the nuts and bolts, as we discussed before. We discussed about LangChain, OpenAI, Gradio, and Hugging Face. These all are the nuts and bolts of the generative AI. We should install these, and after installing, we should run this cell. I'm not showing by running this session in this cells because it takes a lot of time to run, so that I'm showing just lightly of it. And these are the tools which we used. And after, if we run these, it will install. And then while coming next part, and we are have to implement operating system, Gradio, LangChain, and so on. And then next part, we have to take OpenAI key. Here OpenAI key is generated. If we see here, this is a API keys, means it's a OpenAI platform. Here we can see create a new secret. By clicking this, we can get a new secret, and we get a create secret. Then we can we get this platform. Then we should copy this and paste in this and we should paste here. And then after running this, we go to next template. Here we should give some text to how our generative AI should be react. There see, meet Ria, your youthful and the with the personal assistant. This is I implemented here with that statements. And after that we should go to LLM chain. By running this next, after running all these, we get a publishing to Hugging Face. Till there our generative AI is our chatbot is completed, but we should add connect this chatbot with the Hugging Face. So we use Hugging Face. Here token should be uploaded. If we run this, it ask a tokens, then we should go to Hugging Face, and here we'll have a token bar. Then we take the token and brings here. And this is in Hugging Face we can have some spaces. We should include some spaces and create space. And it is useful for this generative AI. And while implementing all this, we get the implementation of generative AI. And finally this generative AI project is here. This says I use some HTML and the CSS codes for this generative AI. After completion of that Google Collab, just come to here, and we implemented HTML code. Here is it HTML code and a CSS and JavaScript code, and finally we get generative AI chatbot. And we can see the output of the generative AI. If we type any type of questions or hello, hello, what are you doing, it gives us an answer. We can review it. Hello, what are you doing? I ask this question. Hello, ma'am. I am here to assist you with any questions or problems which you have might just let me know what you need with help with me. If we ask how to prepare biryani, it will answer to us by in the form of text. It may take some time for processing, but it gives us the accurate same answers which were given by the Google too. Yes, here we can see the ingredients of biryani typed by our AI. This is the project of generative AI. And coming to next part, build your voice chatbot. Is it exciting too? If we give any text or any question, our chatbot will answer it in the form of voice. It gives a reply in the form of voice. I have done this project too. A chatbot. This is done by the PlayHT. You can do voice cloning, and the code is almost similar to it. Just we should change. We just emit the form here. That's it, and the code is similar to all. And we can have a review of it too. Yes, while coming to here, the code is also the similar. Just we need to change the space here. In OpenAI, we need to change some space. All is same. And coming to this chatbot, see, hello, how are you? Same question I am typing here. For lack of time waste, I am typing the next question also. And I am asking next question too.
As an AI, I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?
There is the output. Just
Sure. Here's a sample speech for Independence Day. Good morning, afternoon. Hi, gang, everyone. Today we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion, the day. Let us remember the countless men and women who fought fearlessly for our rights and freedom. Their courage and determination.
This is about the project that I was done. I think that you all loved my session, and a small suggestion from my side is always the AI is not 100% secure. So while as our generation is, as our technology is increasing, we within 1 year or within 2 years, the AI, the world will become the super technological world. So in this world, we should be developed. We should be increase our knowledge. We should be developed further. But we completely do not depend upon the AI, because AI is 100% not safe. Example that in PlayHD takes my voice and it almost giving the under not giving almost, but while improving some technologies like that, it gives almost the same voice like me, and video editions also like me. Then it may causes my personality default, and it causes some dangerous for me. So while going with or while working with the technology, please be safe and secure. And I hope that session is liked by everyone. If you like my session, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries, just comment to me. I will try to solve your queries. I think you have some interesting about the generative AI, and I think you are eagerly waiting for the upcoming changes of the world and the technologies and the improvement of the technology. And be safe, and please comment if you have any queries or if you are interested to learn deeply about this. I know that in this session I'm just covered, no, I'm just not covered deeply. I'm just totally covered main key concepts. If anyone required the deep explanation or a deep conversation or the chatbot code or the entire process or the codes, just comment me. And if anyone required the courses of programming language like Python, which I was learned like Python, CSS, HTML, and all those. If anyone want to learn that, please comment me by your requirement and the interest. I will upload my videos. And thank you so much. Please like and share if you are really like this video, or if you are really think that generative AI is useful. And thank you so much for giving your valuable time to towards my session. And thank you so much. And I promise you I will come back with many more sessions like this, which was very important to our not only us, for our future generations too. And thank you so much. Thank you guys.